How to activate Sunbucks card, Washington State. Follow my instructions. First, check your mailbox for the Sunbucks EBT card, which is automatically sent to eligible children in Washington State. Once you receive the card, you'll need to activate it before you can use it for grocery shopping. To do that, keep the card number, the date of birth of your child, and the last 4 digits of your zip code ready. These will be required to verify your identity. To activate the card, go to the website ebtedge.com or open the EBTedge mobile app. On the login page, click on Cardholder Login and then choose First Time User or Activate Card. Enter your 16-digit EBT card number, your child's date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your household zip code. Then you'll be asked to create a 4-digit PIN for secure access. If you prefer, you can also activate your Sunbucks card by phone. Just call the customer service number on the back of the card. Follow the voice instructions and enter the same information, card number, child's birth date, and zip code. After that, set your PIN when prompted. Once the card is activated, you can use it at any store that accepts EBT. The funds are preloaded and can be used for buying eligible groceries. Make sure to use the balance before it expires. If you have any trouble during activation, like errors with the zip code, try entering or 9,999 as a temporary solution. If that doesn't work, call the Sunbucks Help Center at 833-543-3230 for support. Thanks for watching.